Kani kadi darshan Meghalaya ngiptang somhai pi baro shagane thup kubor meta ka janmiet. Parlok kini kilong ki kubor. Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng berikmi ikatanat Road Transport and Highways u Ajay Tamta. Hine kasngi ulalit jungo ikaribhoy. Hakani ka jinglit jungo ka jong uti Menteri ulalit jurip ya ka jaka a jing sumar ha umsaw nong karai. Bat ya ka yo dulong nar lebay. Bat ya ki kiper so atrun hanong kra. Ya kini ka jinglet jungo la pinkut na ka jingelang bishar benya bat ki clear jung ki aspirational district. Ha kini ka jingelang ula terwa ban penlong ya ki jingya kop ha pedeng bat ha po district na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka jing tray kam barok kowe. Na lor kata ula banjuru ha lor ka jingdon kam ban pen bhai ka jing sngan yang ki surok na ka benta ki khna school ha kapor babun ki khna school. Kaying dorbar jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hagisngi ka beningkong jong ka dorbar sinrai kala ai burom ya ki arngot ki MLA ki blaklat no kata u SC marak u balong menteri rangba berim bat u balong ru nong mikmat jong ka resubel para lembat u ba raisen mausor u balong u MLA berim ka motion bat ki we ki blaklat no. Sembut menteri rangba ka jela ba preston tensong ulapan pau ya ki jingno senyang jong kita ki MLA ha ka ba labot sa ki jing ai buram sana nong yalam ka liang persha ba roni lingdo na ka seng kongres lampang ka yeng dorbar Thomas Sangma ki nong mikmat ka AITC ba Charles Pingrove Dr Mukul Sangma bat ka MLA ka NPP ka Dr M Amprin lingdo na lor ki be pat. Hagasngi ningkong jong ka dorbar sinrai jong ka yeng dorbar thau ai ka jelau simbut menteri rangba ka jelau ba siang balang dhar ulawan ra ke Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Amendment Bill arhajar arpusau uba shakliar wajri menteri bedai pet ya katanat labor employment and skill development ulawan ra ke Meghalaya Identification Registration Bill arhajar arpusau jong kinong belasngi ki weipat ki bill balawan ra ki long ka Meghalaya Goods and Services Bill arhajar arpusau ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill arhajar arpusau bat usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba preston tinsong ulawan ra ki jingdawan ka benta ki grand bat kamang tengka jong usnem arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan. Lampang ka yeng dorbar thau ang ka jela Thomas Isangma ula banjur ba kaliang persha ka de bandon duna ya ka shipho na ka shispa na gid khot jong ka yeng dorbar da ka jing i no kam jong usalang Isangma bat ki langot ki MLA ki bla petno ka NPP udong yalam kaliang persha uba Roni V Lingdo jong ka seng Congress minta ulasa satang marwe Usangma ula ong shushu ba ka shong ha uba Lingdo ban ai ka shithi i no kam kumundong yalam kaliang persha Usang mau la pentik naru ba kanu karai on shim kat kum ka an bat kikendon hadir ke jing tokit ke babnia ka baidai ba ke jing la ban sha suspon hadu en rius nem yaki MLA ke bla pet seng
you need to have at least 10% of the strength of the total house. I mean, strength of the house, total strength of the house. So, yeah, as of now, none of the parties in the political, in the opposition, has that requisite number. So, it is not necessary for me to take a quick decision on it. I can still examine, take my time.
Lampang ka yeng dorbar thau ai ka jelau Thomas Isangma la pentuk ba man kapor ujulit jngo ya ka jingte ka yeng dorbar thau ai ka bethmai hamau deng deng ha ka jinglet jurep ka jong dang shen ulayo I ka jing duna ki nong tre hinrei ula pen bet klo ya ka jing da ka bakhot biang ya ki nong tre khnang ba ka kam kan long ka bayai renti Usangma udon ka jing kermen ba ya ka ne ka yeng dorbar thau ai ka bethmai on la ban pendap no hapo jong news nem
visit to ensure. And last time when I visited, as I told you earlier, there was not enough manpower on the site. But now I'm told there are more people have come back again. So work is going on full swing. The structure will be over within this year. So after that, interior work will take place.
Ka KHEDC negasngi da kawai kasur kala menjur ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Amendment Rules arhajar apsau ka badawa ban penbet put yaki constituency na ka bentak election ban penbet thamai yaki arp khandai tali ki constituency ki bladan lupa jong ka council habe kren bat kinong thok khubor hadi blawai ka dor bar kirpang u deputy CEM ke KHEDC u ba PNCM ula pentip bakin sa IT ki kendon pen kala la ni ki amendment rules hakashisngi ne arsngi sha lat ban yoi ke jeng menjur ke jong u
Autonomous District Council, Constitution of District Council, Amendment Rules are jarapsa. Kadai ka amendment rules kadai na kabenta bandi organize biang yaki shinong na kawai ka konstitusi shawudunsi bakat bala ban balance yaki jungdan jungki nung tepot men. Namar na kakam jungi kelang ba kumbala eksternya hadu sandri pusat tembar. Ka duty jungi kelang ban pendap ya ka kamram. Bat ingi subtanat ba menta ka sila komiti ka pendap. Adin bagi exercise ya ka sila komiti bat ban sngap du ya stakeholders. Kata ka syong aga look out junga government but governor.
U MLA ka not chlong ba Adelbert nong rom ula kan tat ban weng no ya ka jing terwa jong u ban penjalan ya ka yeng dorbar ka bat penpau ya ka jing sokya ba ka ni ka por bala bu menta ka basansi kamlong ka babiang ula kershan ban penjalan ya kisngi jong ka jing lang syong dorbar ban ya ka ba penjalan tang da ki kenta kenang ban pensuk ya ki jing ya kren ki ba kambnya Henry nakaliang jong Menteri Ketana Parliamentary Affairs uba Preston Tensong ula pensyai ba ka Business Advisory Committee kadeka committee ka balabo kerpang ya kisngi nakabentaki kam sorkar bat ki MLA ban ra ikimat ya kren kat pa ulam phang ka ying dorbar Thomas Isang ma ula pen skembiang ba ya ki kenta syong dorbar la pen penjalan kat kum ka jing don kam
okay for the private members, let us have 2 days, and in addition to that, by convention, in case if need be, 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours in a day, it can be extended.
Yes, no, I will extend the debating hours if the need requires. I will extend the hours as already explained by the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs in charge. To extend the days, the BSC will have to sit again.
Ka TMC kalak ban penyeng da ka MDC jong ka gambagre kasadhya rani sangma kum ka kertong shik election shiteng samoy na kabenta ka seng TMC Henry kidang up ya ka jeng manager na ka chairperson ban penbenai ka kertong Haba pentip ya kini unang yalam kini keseng zain perthai u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong ba ka Party Election Committee kelasong jingelang bat dakawai kesur kalarai ke kerteng jong kasadhya rani berlongkum ke kertong. Ula ong bikidang up ya ke jeng menjur ke bakat do jong ke High Command haswa ban penbenai ke kertong. Ula benrap susuk bakaseng kadang tereshitom nak benta ban kur ya ke jeng job.
How confident is the TMC to when
the application of the candidature of the aspiring candidate, Srimati Sadhya Rani Sangma, and the committee was unanimous in its decision to recommend the name for the final approval of the candidature as the candidate for the Trinamool, as the candidate of the Trinamool Congress for the forthcoming by-election.
U President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent Pala negas ngi lakan tho ting persyayu sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba siong balang dhar da ka baong bala da uba dhar penmi sur na ka bentaki RSS bat kaseng BJP baro ki kambe a jong ugin pau perthai kani ka jengkan tho jong ba pala ka long hadien ba uba dhar ulaong basyan kaseng Congress kan sa kliap lama no na kani ka jela Habakan tho halor kani ke jengkren ubak pala ulapan pau bobak dar udai unong ai ketien jo kaseng BJP bat ke ke ba ke BJP kala jukren sepang kaseng Kongres kalong bakan jakno sendon na kaseng sain pertai.
They have to speak the voice of the BJP, otherwise they'll be dismissed by the BJP. So the voice of Sobhalang is 100% the voice of the BJP, the voice of the RS. The people of Meghalaya should know who is he. He has been exposed by his statement, he has been used by the BJP, he has been used by the RSS.
Deputy CEM ke KHDC ubak PNCA mulaong ba kamlong kasien jam ke bede lada urai ban penyeso ya ledi syakseng NPP. Habo bishar ba kajinglong jengman ha kaseng sain perthai bementa jong kajela. Ula kren shikila pathai kubor negeski. Dah keba ulaong ba kanu kasien jam ke babakla ka sain perthai kala ban wanrai ke kenram namar bekipat ba klalong ki bahusiat ba. Ha ka bede ba kajinglong jengman jong ka sain perthai. Utai Deputy CEM ke KHDC ulaong ru ba nakaliang kinong yalam kaseng kin yamir jingmut halor ka jing sngo jong ki ban wengno ka jing kashan ka NPP hapo jong ka KHDC.
Siapa beri terlang ru kadai nam taka pos jongka interest jongki beriu jongi. Atrai kumbang pergi mau beng sisin kajulong jongka sanjima sema perkat pedan sanjima sema kelak. Yang ini kepolisian ka bangi haban long very alert. Bagi nom le songshit kanu ngin hap snap angkat ya ka main jongu pai ba ni do naga very crucial situation ki babon ki bill ki balong very crucial ki babon ki amendment naga sidil hangtai tingi ko bala kunu bani contribute lan haga isi ya ha ba kadon ka nu jingong na kileng ki nu kosan juga parti ya kata ngin sanang puli pria
Ka Khasi Students Union kelakan tu ekonomi khmat ke badon ha ka bor sing shar bat liang persha bakini tililang ha ka baydei bat ke jingdawa ban pen kala thmai ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission ha shwa ka dorbar sinrai ka basdang ne kasngi ka KSU ka la IT ka dor khas ka bakdo yi arpho tili ki mat ke baydei ba ka jing pen thmai ki commission ya ka commission shakino ngelam ba pher jong ki seng sain perthei Uba Ruben Najar, ubalong ucapan ke KSU Employment Monitoring Cell, ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam jong ka jingetili lang jong ki san pukandai ngut ki MLA, ban pinbor ya ka sorkar jela, nakabenta ban pinkelaya ke MPSC.
Political parties, kapade bat kini kimancing dawa baka kisuri kalabu kumu bantu kala bat konra ya kata tukang tunjang bosan biasa nakalian kaseng ni syabor tulisan ki MD nomor bagi dua ba ya kani kamat bikin keren beberapa session kebantuan dulu saya kesini nomor ba kani ketika mat kata
Ka MLA kaseng NPP ka Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo kelakan tu kinongelam kaseng Voice of the People Party bikin up ya kapor ke joki ban wan ha ka bor sinshar bat ha wei pat kaliang bikin aila di gitu ki badai ka pali ban sinshar ya ka jela ka seng VPP kalaju ong ba ka sarkar kalong ka babamsap pat duna ha ka bor sinshar kadar kalau ong ru ba ka jekno bamsap kamlong ke ke bathmai Badah kejuk ke por kala ong shushu bakal long ke besuk ban kedau keti hindrai kamper namar kali ke baka keren.
As of now, it's not your turn. So let those whose turn it is to govern. And what we do during our term in government will be evaluated by the people. Don't blame political parties when you lose your elections. It's not true. You work. Dedicate yourself to the service that you have promised to people in your election platforms. I conform to that. I don't know what else anybody else says. Easy to point the finger, but you need to work. I practice what I preach.
MDC kaseng NPP na maulai uba ate bor patau ne kaski ulong bo ulaso kemen ba ka maulai mauro kandang yai ne hapo jong ka maulai constituency Habakran sekelap patai kubor hadir belawai ke dorbar bak patau ulong bagi patba jong ke maulai mauro ki persyajur ke jeng ajeng mut jong ke delimitation committee ben penisok ya ke maulai mauro syaka jayau constituency. Ulai ro ke dorbar snong jong ke maulai mauro ke belasem kia halor ke nikakam.
Teknika session pasni din ba lapas ka house ki tip ki pagba jo ko so mola constituency ki angut ko mola kan ne kumsu teknika session pasni din ba lapas ka house ko mola nta kalong inta ko matulong ya kamu pat kila pelat no nakapo ko mola constituency ai ko le ya ka do basnong mola moro basin kia ban ya walang namta ban kerpat ya ka select committee bahkan benek mola ko magade ban long hi
Mentangi di pek kejeng long jaman ke simneng hanong ba shalong. Kejeng shit kalong apun 0.1 degree Celsius, kejeng krek kalong kat 0.1 degree Celsius. Kejeng skam kau hau kalong nyop kenai nak kesis pak min step bat nyop puan nak kesis pak janmit. Kelak bendon kejeng hap slap ke ba malu malab kejeng tiru pertat aki babon ki jaka. Di perlok ketung lapoi sing pukut jong tuk kubor jeng beta ke janmit. Hari ini syambiang bet pila syai ke sing ikup le pi baro.